Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if search indexing has been temporarily paused on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing that I would want to make sure of is that my laptop, if I was using a laptop, did not have low battery. If it was almost out of charge, that's certainly possible why the search indexing has been temporarily stopped. So that's one thing. If you have to plug it into an AC adapter, go ahead and make sure you charge up your battery. Something I would want to take a look at first. Something else you can try here as well, if you open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot, best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And underneath options on the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters. And now you want to scroll down and select where it says search and indexing and then the run button. And I'd recommend following along with any prompts that best describe what your issue is on your computer. So if we want to try to make these repairs as an administrator, you can go ahead and select that. And again, follow along with whatever prompts best apply to your particular issue here. And you can see it did seem to repair the Windows search, which is good. And hopefully you should be good to go. If you're still having a problem, you can open up the search menu and type in services. Best result should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go down to the Windows search service and double click on it. You want to set startup type to either automatic or automatic delayed start. And if the service status is stopped, you'd want to select the start option. And then you would select apply and OK to save that. And then hopefully that should be able to resolve the problem for you. And then finally, one further thing we can attempt here as well is to rebuild the search index. So open up the search menu, type in indexing. Best match should come back with indexing options. Go ahead and open that up. Select the advanced button. So go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select the troubleshooting, delete and rebuild index. Select the rebuild button. And rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. Select OK and give us some time to run here. Okay, so this is indexing complete. I recommend closing out of here and then restarting your computer. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.